Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to use the Actor Builder in Artflow AI. The Artflow AI's Actor Builder lets you create a unique AI generated characters for storytelling, animation, or creative projects. Whether you need a hero for your story or realistic persona for a game, this tool brings your vision to life. So, start by entering a detailed text prompt describing your actor. Be specific about their appearance, their age, hairstyle, clothing, and accessories. The expression, if it's happy, serious, mysterious, and more. And if the setting is fantasy, sci-fi, or historical, or modern. So for example, prompt, a young warrior princess with a long silver hair, wearing a futuristic armor and holding a glowing blue sword. She has a determined look on her face, ready for battle. So number two is choose a style. Select an art style that matches your vision. If you are realistic for lifelike characters, if you can choose cartoons or anime for stylized animation, and fantasy or sci-fi for unique, imaginative design. And then click generate and the Artflow AI will create your characters in seconds. Regenerate if you want variations and adjust the details like the clothing, expression, and pose. So once satisfied, click download to save your character. You can use them for storytelling, videos and games, and creative art. And that's it. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.